Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the market share for Windows operating system. We haven't had these numbers in a while. AdDuplex had not released any of these numbers lately, so now we do. And of course, with a few months off, things have kind of changed. So what is happening with Windows market share? What version of Windows are the most popular? Well, the biggest chunk right now is 20H2. That is at 36.3%. 21H1 is at 26.6%, which is the second most popular version of Windows 10. So it's actually moving along well. 21H1 is, of course, the latest version of Windows 10 that was released in the month of May. So this is nice to see that it's already more than a quarter of all Windows 10 PCs. And we have 24.6% of people on the version 2004. And you guys will have to move on to 21H1 or at least 20H2 at some point, as the version 2004 is going to have end of support coming up this fall in, I believe, October or November. So that means that we're soon to have everybody pushed, and I believe Microsoft is already pushing you guys to a later version of Windows right now. Interesting, the first entry into the market share numbers for Windows 11. That is now 0.9% of Windows PCs, and that's insiders. And we're going to have a discussion on that in the Insider YouTube channel that I have. And of course, Windows 10 Insiders at 0.2%. A lot of people jumped out of Windows 10 Insiders, it seems. So once again, the biggest, most popular version is 20H2, 36.3, 21H1, 26.6, and 24.6 still for the version 2004. You know, these three versions are pretty much the same version. It's just a few little minor changes here and there with cumulative updates. So technically, you could say that 24.6, 36.3, and 26.6 are pretty much the same thing together, even though they have minor differences. So the march is on, and it's going to be interesting to see how this shifts with next year's release. Well, this fall and next year when Windows 11 official version is released. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.